Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I received my new Faraday box for my keys. All right, you can refer to my previous video on the Faraday cage bag, which I was using for my keys. It's not like, you know, it's totally necessary. If you happen to live in an area where there's a lot of auto crime, if you live in a major city, I would certainly consider something like this. You know, but it's no guarantee, as other people point out too. I mean, they might steal it from, you know, a parking lot or something. You're not going to be walking around the store, although you can. They sell key fob holders that you can keep in your pocket, but that's it's going a little far. I mean, this is why, you know, you pay insurance for things. But, you know, if it's just something you're a little concerned about, like I was, I figure why not? You know, these bags are definitely cheaper, but they're inconvenient. Okay, so to put the keys in here each time, and to curl this up and just kind of leave. And I kind of left it undone as well, but it doesn't fit anywhere, you know, by my little EDC station where I, you know, get my keys every day and stuff. So I opted to get a box. All right, now there's a bunch of them on Amazon. I'm sure you can find them other places. This one I picked out because it was gray. It looked nice. It had a nicer latch than the other ones. This was like 25 bucks. You can get them for about $20 all day long. They of course have different sizes. This is a perfect size because I'm only looking to put my keys in here. If you wanted to get a much bigger one, keep your cell phone in there at night, so be it. I charge my cell phone, so I take the risk. That's fine. I'm good with that. I sleep fine, not, you know, worried about my phone. But anyway, so just like the Faraday bag, the entire inside of the case, of course, is covered with the metal mesh. All right. Now this has a good seal, as you can see, kind of like a humidor. You know, there's pressure there, so it almost squeezes. So even opening it, you're resisting against that because it's making a tight seal completely in every direction. All right. The only thing I don't like about it is that's as much as the hinge is open. I wish it would just hinge completely, you know, upright. But hey, it is what it is. So there it is. There's the keys in there. You know, nice and protected. Obviously, you know, you can see the space here. If you had a bunch of stuff in your keys, it could still accommodate that. I don't have to worry about putting them in a certain position. Anyway, I kind of throw these keys in here. They're going to fit in the box, so totally fine. This latch system, it's just a little bit cooler and nicer than the other ones. So as you can see, this piece goes down over the bottom, all right, and then there's actually a pin that goes through the hole to latch that. Once it's closed, it's good. I'm not necessarily latching it every time and just kind of leaving it there loose because I don't want to have to like fiddle with it. But you know, it's just, like I said, a little bit nicer than some of the other options out there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It just beats throwing it in and out of the bag. This is a lot easier. It's gray, it matches the car, makes me feel cool, and it does actually serve a purpose. Speaking of which, I will do a separate video. I don't have time right now. I'm actually about to leave to go somewhere, but I will do a video showing these Faraday cages next to the car to show you how they work, all right, and to prove that they actually do work. So anyway, that's it for now, guys. Just wanted to share that with you. I did mention that I was going to get one, and I finally did. And like I said, stay tuned because I'll do a video on it showing how it works. So that's all. Hope you guys have a good one, and I will see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.